Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. The 2021 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE6 Sea to Sky Edition, with 10,123 miles, passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips and seats, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket brake lever, lighted LED rider footrests, and LED auxiliary lights. The SPYDER has carved its own niche into the motorcycling world, standing out from other bikes and trikes with its impressive design, agility, and sophisticated electronics. Built to travel in luxurious comfort, the SPYDER's Sea to Sky doesn't compromise performance, doling out impressive power with responsive handling and control. Powered by a 1330cc inline 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,021 pounds and has a 29.7-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.